Hi guys, and we are gonna unbox Xiaomi Selfie stick, and here it is. Okay, let's just remove it. Be careful by removing it. La, la, la. La, 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 la. You'll see some kind of box like this. Accessory box includes Bluetooth remote shutter. Understood, guys? Okay, now just open this box. I did not understand what it was. Throw this thing. Throw this thing. And here you have the Mi remote shutter for the selfie stick. Ow. No. So here you have the selfie stick and here is the remote. Now you just take this out. Okay, now like this. After this, you take this remote. Okay, guys. Put it here. Make sure it fits in right in, guys. And you need to connect your you need to connect the selfie stick with your mobile, guys, and you can take a photo. And to on this, you can just not press this and take a photo, guys. You need to on it first. To on it, you need to hold this button for a while. And see, you'll see a blue light coming out. You can then attach this thing to your phone and just take a selfie. Yeah. Okay, now that's enough. And and you can just take it like however you want. Like that, guys. And you may think, what are these lines here? I hate these blue lights, okay? I'm just gonna off it. Just again press it for a while and leave it. Okay. Now you may think, what are these lines? And you'll see something. Triangle here. You did not say anything. You can just remove this. You may think, why are these like this? You can just keep it like your phone in here and here, guys, and you can just take a selfie. If you keep the selfie stick so far, and if you take this thing near you, you can from anywhere you can take photo. I'm sleeping here, guys, and the selfie stick's right here. Now you may want to see that. Then it's right here, standing here, and you see again come back, and I just press the button and the picture will select. La 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 la. Just press the button here, guys. Take however you want, just like this, or like this, or like this. And you can, for the grip, you can just have like this, guys, or like this, and take a picture. Just keeping it, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for the video. please subscribe down below. In the selfie stick says you need to subscribe. Down below you will see the subscribe button, guys, and you please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.